Yo, this is Harry and I'm gonna teach you how to do the lip roll in just 1 minute. First, do this sound. If you don't know how to do it, just do the lip bass, but do it like the split snare. Boom. Now once you get that sound, you're just gonna do it on the side of your mouth, in this shape of mouth. Now do a kiss in that shape too. Now you're just gonna do the really fast, one after another, like this. And slow it down, you're gonna get the lip roll. Check out this video right here if you still can't get it.